Good morning, friends. I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, we will be discussing about the paintings, whatever the paintings we have, the folk paintings, and related to all states, whatever the paintings as well as floor paintings we will be discussing. And I request you guys to have a look in playlist where you will find maximum videos, more than 1500 plus have been given in it. So please have a look in GK playlist where you can find the maximum topics from various examinations. So let us start with the what are the paintings we have. Initially, as you can see, Madhubani paintings, which are famous in Bihar state, where you will find these kind of paintings in Bihar. In exams, you will be asked one question, gunshot question. You will be asked paintings, tribes, and motif of currencies, respective different topics you will be asked. Next we have Tanka painting. As you can see, this type of painting you will find in the place of Arunachal as well as Himachal and in few places of Sikkim. So this type of Tanka painting you will find in various places. So you can see how exactly the beautiful painting of this Tanka. If we say the Patachitra, this is one thing what you have to remember. These type of paintings you will find in the Odisha state Patachitra. So as you can see how exactly the wall paintings of Patachitra. When it comes to the Kolkata, we find Kali Ghat painting. You can see this how exactly the paintings of Kali Ghat. These type of paintings you will find in the state of West Bengal. If we see in West Bengal, we have Darjeeling tea gardens are also famous in West Bengal. So this type of Kali Ghat, Kali Mata, you can remember like that in West Bengal Kali Ghat paintings. When it comes to Kalamkari paintings, these are the paintings you will find in Andhra Pradesh. Kalam means pen. So Kalamkari paintings you will find in Andhra Pradesh. Next we have Paitkar paintings. These type of paintings you will find in Jharkhand, that is the district that we have in, that is the capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi, and the Paitkar paintings you will find in Jharkhand state. When it comes to Saura painting, as you can see how exactly the Saura paintings looks like, this type of paintings you will find on the walls of the, as you can see here, caves, you will find this type of Saura painting, and in Odisha region you will find this type of painting. Saura painting you will find in Odisha state, this type of one of the finest painting, that is Saura in Odisha. Next we have Pithora. Pithora, as you can see to the right side how exactly this Pithora painting, this type of painting you will find in Gujarat. So in the state of Gujarat we have Pithora. When it comes to the Manjusha painting, which is one of the important Madhubani as well as Manjusha. So so Madhubani painting and Manjusha paintings you will find in Bihar. This is also known as Angika art. So Angika art you will find in Bihar state. When it comes to the Phad painting, this type of Phad painting you will find in Gujarat. What exactly the name of painting is? Phad. And we have Varli painting. So you can see to the right side how exactly the paintings of Varli. These type of paintings you will find in Maharashtra, and one of the famous paintings, that is Varli. And the festival we celebrate in Maharashtra, that is the Lavani dance we have over there. The best festival over there is, that is Vinayak Chauthi. Now we have Chalk Purna paintings. This type of paintings you will find, Chalk Purna floor paintings you will find on the Uttar Pradesh district, and this type of Chalk Purna paintings are famous in Uttar Pradesh state. And we have Mandana paintings in Rajasthan as well as Madhya Pradesh. You will find this type of Mandana paintings. You can see to the right side how exactly they do the painting. Next we have Rangoli painting. We knew that Rangoli paintings you will find in Maharashtra. See how exactly Rangoli, the powder what we have in Andhra Pradesh also Muggulu. So this type of Rangoli paintings you will see in Maharashtra. When it comes to the Bihar, again we have Aripana. So Madhubani, Manjusha, Aripana, these are the paintings you will find in Bihar. When it comes to the Athiya painting, you will find this type of painting in Gujarat, that is Athiya painting. We have a flow painting, that is Alpana paintings. We will find this type of painting in West Bengal. It's one type of floor painting. So we have wall paintings and we have floor paintings. So here we have Aroop painting, which are located in Himachal Pradesh, and this is also one type of floor painting you will find in Himachal. When it comes to the Ipan painting, that is you will find in Uttarakhand, we have this type of Ipan paintings. When it comes to the Rangavali painting, so this is one thing, Rangoli or Rangavalli, this type of Rangavalli paintings you will find in Karnataka state, how exactly the paintings are. Next we have Muggulu, that is in Andhra Pradesh we call them it as Muggulu and floor paintings. One of the important, this type of Muggulu you will find in Andhra Pradesh. When it comes to Kollam floor paintings, so this is what exactly you have to remember. This type of floor paintings of Kollam you will find in Tamil Nadu. So you can see how exactly the floor paintings looks like. In Kerala we have murals. So you can see how exactly it looks like. This type of murals you will find in Kerala. So if you ask, murals are famous in which place? That is in Kerala. If we come to Tanjore, I want you guys to comment in the comment section, Tanjore is located in which state? This type of Tanjore paintings are famous in which place? I want you guys to comment. Go through internet, you will find it. When it comes to Cheriyal paintings, this is one thing which is also known as Nakshi art, and it's also known as Nakshi as well as Cheriyal paintings. You will find this type of paintings in Telangana. So please have a look whatever the playlist have been given. These are the few important paintings what have been compiled from various sources. I hope these 25 paintings are very useful for you. If you have any kind of doubts, you can call me. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.